Well, happy Thursday, everybody. Done with my 7 days off. Did get a few things completed. I got the speed build taken care of, and I started on this here. It's the Magic House series of the 3D creative bookends. Uh, I can thank Charlie Mack for that. Even the boys in on it too. Oh, he's doing one. Oh yeah. I'm say my first day I had this done. Second I had that. And I piddled around the third day. I got them meshed together. I got these other 4 pieces that are yet to be seen in the book just yet, but I'm guessing this will go on the back end here. Mesh these together. If I go by the digits. Yeah. Of course. Oh, it's not that one, it's this one. It could be this one. Or it might go right there. Yeah. One of these sides is getting it. Anyhow, that's as far as I got. I got work to go to here in about an hour. Yeah. Yep, I leave here in an hour. Well, no, hour and a half. Sorry. Got more time than I thought. But anyway, that's what I've gotten done. It's not that hard. Somehow, I don't know how, Charlie, but I think I may actually be able to still have glue done here when I glue all these little pieces together. I have no idea how I'm doing it, but yeah, it's pretty strong wood glue. It's what I think what it compares to me. Clear wood glue. But yeah, I didn't find the one stuff you was telling me about. Of course, when I went to the dollar store the other day, I totally forgot about it. So I didn't get a chance to look there. But anyway, yeah, this is what I got. Well, let me pause it for a second. Okay, there we go. I got to open it up a little bit. I got my battery box down. Well, the board is screwed in there. Battery box right here. I'm guessing somehow, and I haven't seen it yet, but I guess that light there and it's one back here, and those two there somehow will all fit with that. I don't know. Don't know yet. I won't get to it probably this time next week. I may, if I'm lucky, get to it Monday when I get off my 4 nights. Plus, it's supposed to be really freaking cold. I know it's going to be colder for other people around me. But it's going to be, was it -5 Monday, I think, and 0 Tuesday or something like that. Of course, that could change. I hope it does. It goes up a little bit, at least in the 20s. But yeah, this is, yeah, pretty cool. I like them. Like I said, I blame Charlie Mack for this. It's a fun, get out of your mojo, get your mojo back build. Yeah. Like I say, first day, second day. So, yeah, progressed quite a bit more the second day than I did the first one. Of course, mind you, I probably started this late afternoon. So, but I like it. It's pretty cool. How everything, a lot of it just compression fits, but when it came to the foundation and certain items, I glued them. And again, it didn't take much. Maybe a bead thinner than this wire was all I needed to compress them together, and that was it. They stayed. So yeah, that's for that. Another thing I want to talk real quick about is what Charlie and Al and Justin and Fred and a few others, I'm sure others have gotten on this about doing too many group builds at once. I am guilty 1000%. It kills me when I see these other group builds. I really want to get into them and I can't. But I made a New Year's resolution. The only group build I'm going to get in this year, and this is the way it's going to be, and I know it's going to kill me. The cancer build is number 1. In the last which is going to be before the cancer build, is the egg plane. Me and Charlie are going to do it. Same thing, Hazagar kit. Has to be egg plane Hazagar. There will be no medallions this year, no theme, nothing. Just grab yourself an egg plane, chopper, yeah, whatever they have, yeah, helicopter, plane, jet, and have fun. Like I say, the whole month of April. Me and Papa Dan talked. We are holding off for a year for the Bandai build. Like him, I have a few builds I need to try to catch up on. Yeah, and I've got builds over there. So yeah, I due to group builds and appreciation builds. I've got one to the right here and two over here. I've got Fred's and Seniors here and Owls behind mine. Well, that one right there, the bins. It's almost done, but yeah, I was doing too many at once. Got burnt out. So that speed build that I just finished doing with the Hobby Link group hosted by Chris K, that helped me, and this here is definitely kicking a fire in my behind. I'm really enjoying it. So that's my problem. Don't want to upset anybody and all that, but I can't do it this year. If I keep doing it, I'm just going to keep piling up builds that were just started, and they're going to be stacking, and I'll get burnt out, and I won't enjoy it at all. I want it to be a hobby. I don't want, as Fred said, I don't want this to be a job. I've already got one. So I don't need two. So, but yeah, this year, as Charlie Mack said, I'm building for myself. Cancer build, that is always definite guarantee that I will always do that one. Without a doubt. I could have me swamped with everything. I'm going to do it. Because that definitely affects everybody. But yeah, I'm hoping to get this stuff kicked out. Like I say, a lot of these are pretty much good. The Corvette, of course, these are not group builds. I may hold off on them still. But I want to get Old Tom's going. I'd like to finish the Porsche build. It's really close. I just need to give it a good sanding and hit it with the clear coat and finish it up together, put it together. That one there, it has a few parts I need to get together. It's all decaled and everything. I just got a few parts on the chassis to get done. USAC, hate to say it, but I'm not going to get it done. Again, overwhelmed with too many group builds. But yeah, I'm going to get Tom's done and working on Fred's. I've got parts of it taped off that I need to paint, but it's getting to that point where I can't do any right now. It's too chilly in this room, even with my little heater back here. This is a very old house I'm in. Heck, it was made back in the 50s. So yeah, it's nice, but it doesn't have any central heating or anything. Like I said, this thing had boilers, but it gave out, so we use floor heaters, which is more than enough for us. It's nice, but it's not good enough, in my opinion, for the paint to worry about if it was going to, just go on nice and totally foul up drying. Hit a cold spell in here or whatever, just to totally foobar it and not have to do it again. So I'll wait till spring before I do any more painting. But piecing together, yes, I'll build up the stuff. I really, next chance I get off day, which, like I said, I work these 4 nights. I get Monday off, and I go back in Tuesday for 2, and then slide right into my 3-day lights. So I'll have maybe Monday to play around with the kids, and next Sunday, and then I jump into 3 nights. So yeah, this is gonna be jumping around, but that's what I signed up for. I've been doing this thing going on 26 years, so yeah, it's what it is. I do what I can when I can. Other than that, hopefully I don't offend anybody, but if I do, it is what it is. I can't do everything. Boy, I wish I was like some of the guys out there, and they do awesome jobs, and they can kick out a build like it's nothing. But these old hands and these eyes are not what they used to be. So I do what I can. That's why I'm liking this, because everything more or less is cut out for you. You just, slide them in there carefully. Like I said, and Charlie could tell you, tight fits on these. Sometimes you gotta take a little file out. The file will slide out, or the digit itself. But yeah, you'll see. They do just slide into place. You just gotta be careful. Compression. Oh, there we go. She's going down, Captain. There we go. Or, oh wait. Yeah. You gotta watch these. There we go. Oh, there you go. You just gotta watch this. These wires, they do get in the way. Yeah, but they're great. Let's see. Again, I'll do what I can, folks. But this year is gonna be counting me out for any extras. I'm gonna play catch up, more or less. So get off. Well, yeah. 11 minutes. Charlie could never get back. So until then, I'm just gonna leave it there. Hopefully next year I'll be caught up enough. I'll be able to get in some of these other group builds, but there's way too many of them going on right now anyway. Yeah, let's see. But we all know. Just I don't know. We love this hobby so much. We want to share it with everybody, but we're oversharing at the moment. Just like we need a round table for everybody to go over what group builds the community wants to do, and just not ration, but just say, all right, this year we'll do these group builds, and next year we'll do these group builds. That would make it a whole lot easier on everybody, in my opinion, if we had that going on. But I don't see how we all could do it, because not everybody watches everybody else's channel. So until then, enjoy the hobby, and take care, and we'll talk to everybody later.